So here comes out my both the front seats. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, and that too step by step. Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix. And the first seat that I will take out is the passenger side seat, and to take that out, first thing that you will have to do is you will have to take both these front bolts out. Now these two wires are connected here. This is the amplifier grounding, because in this car there is a separate amplifier for which the woofer is connected. And to take both these bolts out, you will need a Allen key socket like this. If you don't have a socket like this, then you can even use a normal Allen key. The most important thing that you will have to keep in mind here is, while taking this Allen key bolt out, it should not slip, otherwise you will have a tough time to take it out. Now as you guys can see how this bolt looks like, so you will have to take both these bolts out. Once you take out both these bolts, you will have to slide the seat in front like this, and then you will have to go on the back side, and on the back side there will be two bolts. You will have to take those two bolts out now. And as you guys can see on the back side, here is the first bolt, and if you go on the other side, then this is the other bolt. Here we can't make use of that socket, so I will make use of a normal Allen key, and I will put it inside the gap like this, and I will take out both these bolts. Here the sliding mechanism comes in between. That is the reason why I cannot use the socket here. So here comes out my one bolt, and here comes out my other bolt. Once you are done taking all these four bolts out, I will move the seat a little bit like this, and now we'll have to bend the seat in front like this by pressing this lever, and once you bend it like this, you can take it out easily like this. Now this seat is very heavy guys, so you'll have to be extremely careful while taking it out. So here comes out my passenger side seat. Now I will take out the driver side seat. To take the driver seat out, you will have to follow the same procedure. First you will have to slide your seat behind like this, then you will have to take out both these bolts. Once you are done taking both these bolts out, you will have to slide your seat in front, then go on the back side and loosen these bolts with the help of the Allen key. Once this bolt becomes loose, put the Allen key from on top here through the sliding mechanism to take the bolt out completely. So here comes out my one bolt. Now I will go on the other side and I will take the bolt out from this side as well. So here comes out my other bolt. Once all the four bolts are out, move the seat a little bit, then go underneath the seat and you will have to disconnect the seat belt alarm plug. As you guys can see, I have unplugged it. Then you will have to lean the seat in front like this. Now don't bend it too much also, because here the steering is there, so you will have to bend the seat on the outwards direction like this, and slowly you will have to take this seat out completely. So here both the seats are out now. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye and take care.